What's up guys, this is a speedy review of the A7R cage, designed for Sony's 3rd generation A7 cameras. Just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video, so I will be reviewing this honestly without bias. So let's start with build quality. It's solid yet light. It's crafted out of one solid piece of aluminum, and it's crafted out of one solid piece of aluminum. I don't really know what else to say there, it's good. Moving on to design. It is superb with a couple of quirks. All the edges are beautifully bezeled, and even though it's a full cage, it's one of the sleekest and cleanest looking cages we've worked with. It also has a bunch of holes all over the place where you can screw stuff in. The holes are standard size and they're spaced nicely so you can mount accessories just about wherever you want. Battery and card slots are easily accessible, so is the hot shoe, as well as all the ports on the left side of your camera. Included is this little vice grip style clamp for your cables, which is beautifully simple. All you have to do is tighten the screws. The right hand grip is a little bittersweet. Against your palm, you have this great bezel that makes it very comfortable. However, if you have the luxury of having a full set of fingers, your pinky is gonna feel a little out of place. But that should be familiar to anybody who's ever owned an A7 camera. Your pinky is usually homeless anyway. Another minor bit of annoyance is accessing the dials and buttons on top of the camera. The circle design outlining the dials looks nice, but functionality-wise, it kinda makes it hard to get to the buttons around it. Also, I'm almost never looking directly down at the camera, so most of the time it blocks the view of the labels. Now let's wrap it up with accessories. We got the top handle Scorpio, which has a quick release feature. You can mount it wherever you want. You can even mount stuff on it, like another handle, and a trigger, and a rod, and another handle, and a lav receiver, and another cage. Okay, that's absurd. We also picked up this monitor holder, which is hands down the best monitor mounting system we've ever used. With the standard 1/4-inch screws, it's solid and stable throughout the whole 180 degrees of rotation. You can mount your monitor without any tools, there's a tension knob, and the NATO rail system makes it easy to remove. All in all, this A7R cage is definitely my favorite out of all the cages that I've tried for my A7 cameras over the years. So if you have an A7 Mark III, an A7R Mark III, or maybe by now the A7S Mark III came out, if you're looking for a cage, I definitely recommend A7R. It's solid, sleek, and light, and because of its great design, it's super easy to use. So that's our review of the A7R cage. I definitely encourage you to hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with our tips, tutorials, and other gear reviews. If you guys like this one, please give us a thumbs up, and if you feel so inclined, definitely leave us a comment below. But other than that, my name is Kaviko with 9th Ave Studio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoot!